Chris.
And I'm Molly.
And we're the Flying Hens.
Welcome to episode 12 of the HenHouse Adventures. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you can follow along on our journey as we travel the country in an RV. It's been a busy week.
It has been.
Yeah. We did a lot of things.
We went back to our old neighborhood. Mm-hmm. So we are still in Cleveland right now. Mm-hmm. And we spent 14 years in Cleveland before moving to Texas and then subsequently beginning our RV adventures. We went to go visit some old friends, the old street.
Our kids have friends from that neighborhood, so they got together and played, and we got to see our old house.
Really great to catch up.
Yeah. And then following that, we had a family photo shoot with my good friend and our good friend. She's our good friend. Yeah. My BFF, Dahlia. She's actually come along on our adventures with us when we were in Florida. Big week this week. We started school. So we started the kids at school on Monday with our new Abeka curriculum. We're loving it so far. It's very structured. It's very organized. So I think we're all enjoying it. Yeah. More on that to come.
And while you guys have been doing school, I've been busy doing some renovations. I've got about 7 or 8 or like 20 projects going all at once right now.
Yep. That's the curtain.
I mean, the curtain right now is because
we don't have a door
was, we took out the old door and I was putting in a new door. Well,
you built a really nice door.
It's a beautiful door. It's the best door. It's a huge door. Yeah. I had my best people on this door. It's the best door you would ever have seen.
It was really
ever. It was 2 inches too narrow. I don't know how I messed up on that.
Don't you measure twice, cut once?
Oh yeah, no, I did. Somehow I went from 22 down to 20 inches. Well, missed the
So if anybody needs a 20-inch door, we gotcha.
It's a good door.
It's a great door.
It's the best door. All right. But anyway, so this door will actually be here hopefully next week. Finishing up the projects, we're going to get all that done.
I'm so excited about the projects because we'll finally be able to do a tour of the RV.
Show
them all.
I'll be done actually doing a bunch of things.
We can actually live in it and not constantly be doing projects.
We'll always be doing projects. But anyways, we are finishing this up. We're about to hit the road again, we think on Monday. Mm-hmm. So we're getting ready for boondocking.
Yeah, we plan to be boondocking for an indefinite period of time.
Yeah, a couple RV parks thrown in there just to, maybe get some showers or...
We're going to shower between beds. Let's be clear.
But
I did want to, kind of prepare for an extended period of time of boondocking, so I washed all of our bedding this week, as well as I made, a bunch of freezer meals. So I have, 10 or 11 meals ready to go that we could just defrost really quick. Yeah. Less pans to wash while we're boondocking.
So, while we have the water and while we have, the ability to easily go dump somewhere, that's what we do now.
Yeah. So we're ready to go.
Yep, and a few nights ago, we went out on a date night to Michelangelo's. Not Michelangelo's, but Michelangelo's.
It's a winery here in the Cleveland area, and I've never been, but it's a gorgeous facility and restaurant, and you can have weddings there and events.
The food was awesome.
Mm-hmm. And
we went with some friends. We went with the friends we're boondocking with, too. I don't think we mentioned that.
Oh, yeah. The people that were staying in their yard, we took them out to dinner, so...
That was awesome.
We treated them.
Pizza, truffle fries, bacon and Brussels sprouts.
You didn't like those.
Well, Brussels sprouts, come on.
Ooh, and some brie. And then,
who likes Brussels sprouts?
And then we also had cupcakes for dessert. So that was a good time.
Awesome cupcakes. So we did that. Yesterday.
We played hooky from school yesterday.
Day 4 of school. We said we're done.
We're the best teachers ever. So where did we go?
We went to Cedar Point. Has anybody here been to Cedar Point?
Comment below.
Tell us your favorite ride if you have been there. It is the Roller Coast, as it's called.
The Roller Coast.
The Roller Coast of America.
Honestly, I didn't know that.
That was a full day, all day. We got there pretty much park open to well past park close. We walked out of there.
I'm still exhausted from that.
Tired?
Yeah. We decided to go in the middle of the week because there's less crowd. School's back in session, so
Because we're homeschooled and you can do that.
yeah. And the
Like,
the wait times for
Wait
the
times were
rides.
half of what they are on the weekend.
Yeah.
It's good. The thing that we need to tell them about is you do the meal plan and the drink plan.
Thing. Yeah.
So
we just bought one meal plan. It's an all-day dining pass for $32, and it lets you get an entree and a side at most all restaurants there,
about half of them.
and you can eat every 90 minutes. So we just set a timer, and
Yep.
I was the one to usually go and get the food, and then
Because you don't really ride the rides.
no, I don't. I get sick on rides.
So-
I don't do roller coasters. I am.
While I took a few on a ride, she would go and get food, so we'd all get them back together, eat. You had the timer going for that, and then the all-day drink plan.
Yeah, that was like $14, I think, and
Something
you get
like
a
that.
souvenir mug, drink holder thing, and you can refill that every 15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes.
And they have a bunch of drink stations throughout the park, so it
Yeah.
was an excellent deal for us.
So we did one meal plan and 2 drink plans, and I found that that was perfectly sufficient for our family of 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if you had like older kids who are really hungry,
You
that
might
not
need
work.
an extra meal plan in there, but it pays for itself if you have like 2 or 3 meals.
So anyway,
We did that.
our 9-year-old son, he
Yep.
was excited to go on some bigger coasters this time around. So
He went upside down and did a few like little loops and spirals and stuff, which was a big step for him. So that was really cool.
yeah, and then most of the day we spent at Camp Snoopy, which is like the little kids area. They have some cute little coasters. Our girls loved those rides.
Well, Sayla,
I think she did. Well, she really liked the other one. But
she's terrified, but still went on it multiple times. So like,
yeah,
scared.
I think she liked it.
Lily, though, is our little roller coaster fiend. You can just see it in her. Like, she loves them.
Yeah.
So I am looking forward to when she grows up a little bit, she'll be my riding buddy. Definitely.
So, and they also have a petting zoo there where we found
Petting
some
zoo,
alpacas
spinny
and
rides.
Yeah.
I mean, we did a good mix of everything.
Yeah, we just had a lot of fun yesterday. The kids had a blast too. So Cedar Point was a win. Good.
Highly recommend it. I love it. Every time we go.
And they have a great RV park, but we decided we didn't tie that in
It's
too.
a bit expensive.
It is. It's like over $100 a night. So
Yeah, I can't spend if I'm paying $100 a night. I better be on the beach in Florida.
well, it was on the lake.
I better be on the beach in Florida.
Anyway, so we are gearing up to leave Ohio in just a few days,
And the battery died. So make sure that when you do a video, you charge the batteries for the camera.
we're clearly YouTube experts here.
Anyways, we are going out west.
Yes.
We're going to go to Glacier National Park.
Yep.
By way of a few stops.
Well, our goal is to get to Glacier by early September, so we don't have too much time to spare, but we are going to try to go to Indiana Dunes National Park.
Yep.
Spend a few days at Wall, South Dakota, boondocking
On the wall.
on the Wall. Maybe visit Badlands National Park again.
Yeah.
And then last year we had really wanted to go to Devil's Tower in Wyoming, but we got snowed out of that
Isn't it in
area.
Montana?
What?
Isn't it in Montana?
It's in Wyoming.
It's Montana.
It's in Wyoming. You want to check? Okay, here we go.
Anyways, Devil's Tower. And then after Devil's Tower, we are heading out to Glacier. So early September we'll be in Glacier, and then we're going to work our way maybe a little south. Let us know if you're out there. It must be Wyoming. Let us know if you're going to be out west.
Yes, comment below. We'd love to meet up with you.
Yeah, we'd love to meet up, maybe travel to a few places. Like, what's the point of doing all this if we're not meeting new friends along the way?
Right.
Otherwise, that's it. We will see you next week. And as for now, goodbye.
Bye. Are you serious?
No, I'm just...
Oh. What do you mean the files are in the computer? Hello?
Are you in there?
We need to watch Zoolander.
I know we do. Then tomorrow night for sure.